These are the new Zhiyun Smooth 5S, and I have been using this gimbal a whole day on the Padova Classics car Fiera. Okay, so what's the actual fuzz about this gimbal? Well, you can have actually now 3 fill lights bright shining your face. One is the built-in right here, and the other 2 are actually removable with a magnetic clip. One is on the upper part and one is on the downside. So yes, you can get a really bright experience and film yourself in dark scenarios. You will be getting really well lit. And yes, you can dim the light actually using the knob built-in on the gimbal, so you can get really dim or really bright. Upgraded and greater design layout with all the functions needed to get going. Side 1/4 screw mount, left focus zoom rocker, 24-hour battery lasting with PD fast charge in 2 hours. Portrait vertical switch in just a second. I was using it with my new OnePlus 10 Pro, so let's get straight to the Automoto d'Epoca 2022 to get some amazing footage. The gimbal worked flawlessly the whole day, and I had a great experience using it with my OnePlus 10 Pro. Actually, OnePlus 10 Pro didn't last the whole day of filming cause, well, the battery died. So this will outrun or outlast your battery from your smartphone. Okay, so there are 2 amazing color variants, the white and the black one. And of course, I was filming with the white one. There is the great Cami app to be used with the Smooth 5S. The new feature is called Smart Template, allowing you to fast auto shoot and edit interesting videos. The layout is pretty great, and you will be able to have a complete user pro experience with it. Depending on your smartphone, shoot up to 4K 60p in the smartphone app. There are also the standard video and photo functions with the hyperlapse, time-lapse, dolly zoom and smart videos. The zoom rocker option works flawlessly and the zoom is pretty smooth across the whole range. The Pro mode option is one of my favorites, and you can control the most out of your camera, selecting manually your shutter speed, ISO, white balance and frames per second. Select an outstanding amount of options and control every setting of your camera. And you will be able to select with the center button zoom or focus control and get amazing professional results. Actually, it's called the Steadicam built inside the Cami app. On the front part, you will have the illuminated mode, selecting with ease your way of shooting, with the mode, menus, record, joystick, function and power button. On the back there is a standard trigger, 2 times for the actual reset and 3 times to actually flip the camera to your side. And yes, the great feature is that you can actually lock all 3 motors, so you will having a great time carrying it around, not having to worry about the motors banging around in your backpack or actually to each other. Now in late 2022, I think we are reaching the point where this setup and combo can do a lot more than a couple of years ago. And the cameras on smartphones are getting better and better. So this will be easing your way of shooting and creating more stuff with less pressure and actually focus on your thing. Create the best out of your shot with least effort. And that's the whole point. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, I will be happy to answer all of them. Until my next one, thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe with the bearing icon to get notified every time I make a new video, and see you on my next one.